Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Gala. In this video, we will tell you the latest news about this cryptocurrency, which will help you decide whether to invest in it now or not, and at the end of the video we will tell you the nearest forecasts from experts and analysts. Goldman Sachs is offering an ETH fund to customers through Galaxy Digital. Goldman Sachs, GS, is offering interested clients access to an Ethereum fund issued by Galaxy Digital, pursuant to regulatory filings with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on Tuesday. The modified Form G reads, Goldman Sachs & Company LLC will receive an entry fee for the clients it brings into the Galaxy Institutional Ethereum Fund. Galaxy launched this fund last March. This is not the first time Goldman Sachs has been involved with Galaxy Digital, a crypto investment firm led by Mike Novogratz. In June, Galaxy agreed to funnel liquidity into Goldman Sachs' Bitcoin futures offering. Galaxy is offering a Bitcoin fund to Morgan Stanley, MS, clients in an arrangement similar to the one with Goldman, a review of applications reveals. Case Capital LLC, an alternative investment platform, will receive a placement fee for referring clients to an new wearable. Despite the technical challenges, it seems that users have generally been pleased with Samsung's focus on climate issues and willingness to embrace evolving technology. One user who attended the event, Queen, said he liked the sustainability aspect of the event. Many people say that the metaverse separates us from the natural world, but this challenge proves just the opposite. On the other hand, some of the mainstream media that reported the launch weren't overly impressed. Knet didn't hold back, writing that it was an example of what not to do when using the metaverse to launch a product, registering a 14.6% fall in the past 2 days. The sellers are steadily pulling the price to the local support of $0.214. If they succeed in slipping the altcoin below this level, the traders can expect a 22.8% fall by resisting the January low at 16 cents. On a contrary note, if buyers revert the altcoin from the $0.214 mark, the coin price would re-challenge the overhead RESISTANCE $0.272. The descending 20 and 50 DMA shows traders are aggressively selling coins. Moreover, a bearish crossover among these DMAs could intensify the selling pressure. Resistance level $0.272, $0.361 support level $0.214, 16 cents second used today. Russian crypto buyers face whopping premiums amid economic crash. As Russia continues its invasion of neighbor Ukraine, the Russian markets are spiraling out of control, and an increasing share of the country's population is seeking financial refuge in cryptosits. This is reflected in the sky-high premiums for those who wish to exchange RUB into Bitcoin, BTC, via peer-to-peer exchanges, as indicated by the latest market data. Data obtained from crypto data firm Kaiko indicates that BTC is rapidly gaining traction in Russia and Ukraine's local currencies, as BTC trading volumes using RUB have surged to the highest level since last May, and those based in Ukraine's UA have reached a level not reported since October 2021. The trend follows a wave of sanctions against Russia, which has disrupted forex markets. A couple of months ago, Snoop Dogg announced he bought a family of Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs and started talking about the Sandbox metaverse. Our sister site Newsk reported on the news. Snoop Dogg is launching himself into NFTs with 2 feet. A couple of weeks ago, the superstar rapper announced a partnership with the Sandbox metaverse. There, he will have his own piece of the virtual world. There will be Snoop avatars and other Snoop-inspired NFTs for sale. And he will even perform live, an event that's already selling early access passes. Snoop Dogg also recently released his latest album BODR, which stands for Back on Death Row. For the NFT portion of the release, he partnered with Gala Games, a blockchain gaming company. Through the Gala Music Store, people can buy a version that has 3 bonus tracks and goes for $5K. What's the catch? Well, for $5K you get NFTs for all of the songs. In a press release, Snoop Dogg said, If anything is constant, it's that the music industry will always be changing. Blockchain tech has the power to change everything again and tip the table in favor of the artists and the fans, and we're going to be right at the front of the. If you are looking for Gala price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Gala a good investment? How much will Gala cost in 2025? Or how much will Gala cost in the next 10 years? Gala price prediction 2022. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Gala could cross 33 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2022. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2022 will be around 28 cents. Gala course prediction 2023. Gala will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Gala course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Gala rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. Gala the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Gala course forecast 2024. Galas have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Gala, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. Gala is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As